Today we are looking at how you can convert an image file into a PDF. Now this is a very easy process, and I'm actually going to show you two different methods to convert an image into a PDF. One is actually through Google, and the other one is through Print. To convert an image through Google, all we need to do is actually go into your Google Docs, open a new document, and we are actually going to just click on Insert here at the top left, and then click Image, and then Upload from Computer. We're going to select the image that we want. Here's just an image of a flag, which is a JPEG. We're just going to open it. There it is in our document. All we have to do now is hit File and then Download. You're going to be presented with a whole bunch of options here. We just want PDF. And that will actually download a PDF file, which is what we want. So if we go to that image, we can see there's our original image that we have of our flag. And here's our new document, which is a PDF. And if we click on that, you can see there is our image of our flag. The second way to convert an image into a PDF file is actually through the print functionality through Windows itself. So here's our image right here. And if we right click on it, we can actually open it. And we can just say Open with Photos. Here's our picture. And if we want to, we can actually hit the Print button. And if we select this, we can see here it says Microsoft Print to PDF, and that's what we want. We want to click that. You can select however you want to have the file here, but we just want to hit Print. And then we can say Image PDF, and then just hit Save. And if we go back into where we have this folder at, here's our original image. Here is the image PDF file, which is actually the PDF file. If we double click on that, there's our image. So there's two great ways that are very simple and easy that you can do to convert an image. You might need that if there's some website that will only accept PDF files.